as you're listening from a thumbnail, scuba's all clean, machine polished, ready for the next step. So yeah, thumbnail shows I'm a big Nippon Shine fan. Been down to see Jackie previously with my 2J Impreza for a local club, and obviously it's practically JDM royalty. So we're going to go with Fuso Dark, the gas cleaner, and the funky spray Mirror Protect. I've run out of the tyre shine. I do have but there's just not a lot left in there. We're not going to dress the tyres today anyway. The wheels come off to do the brakes in another video later on, and I might not even dress the tyres. It's track day time. I'll dress those tyres at some point and show you the 4X. That's fine. So yeah, I'm not going to show you all of it. I'm going to show you bits and pieces. Car's half in, half out to keep it shaded. We've been through machine polishing, which is re-washed, dried. So Fuso Dark you don't put on dry. Let me rephrase that. The pad you use doesn't have to be dry, so I always wet the pad. It is the finished coat. Single coat is all you need. It is amazing. I was trying to think of a different word, but it's not going to come to me. The beading, the water runoff, is exactly what you want. Makes rewashing your car a doddle. So I'm going to set you up. I'll probably show you on the bonnet, because the car's huge and it's going to take me ages to do it. Not that long, probably, actually only half an hour, but not going to show you half an hour worth of putting wax on. So we'll get on with that and come back. I'll get you set up and let's just see how it goes on. So I've already been out. Wet as much as you get with it. I mean, if you look, you can see inside it. I love this stuff, and it is like, it says 12 months. I'm not really getting 12 months though. Is there any problem? I'm getting like 6 months. And to be honest, I don't tend to keep a car more than 6 months. So we're just gonna give it a little spin in it. You don't need a load, and let's chuck it on. So that one swipe got me half the bonnet. Is how little of it you really need. Do one more top and get the other side done. You don't want it on thick. Putting it on thick means it is a nightmare to get off. That is not what we're after. And that's it. I mean, how long does that took me to do the bonnet? 2 minutes. We're gonna let that haze off, go on to the rest of the car, and we'll come back to you when it's time to buff it off. So that literally 40-45 minutes later. I don't know if I'm shot. 40-45 minutes later. I'm so hot though after doing that. We're going to buff it off. So, brand new microfiber. And you're just going to buff off like it's nothing. It literally just rubs away. And that's it. How much easier do you want it to be for a long lasting wax? I'll get a little bit of water and show you the runoff in a minute as well. But honestly, what more do you need from a wax than that? It's ridiculous. If it does come off chalky though, you put on too much. That makes it difficult to get off. So I'm going to whiz round, get it off, we show you run off and move on to the glass cleaners. Just show you quickly what I mean about this wax. It is so good at it. What more do you really need to want to know about it? Need to want to know? What more do you want to know about it? One of the few things we have left today, glass cleaner. I said it on the wax. I love this stuff. The only thing I wish is a little bit more durable. But, ooh, fly. Literally, spray and wipe off. We'll do it now. So obviously it's glass cleaner and water repellent. And that leads us nicely on to the next one. I have actually already done oil glass, so I'm going to find a clean bit on my cloth. Remove it, spray. I can't translate it for you because I don't speak the language that's on it. But again, this is just something, it's a tiny little spray jet. And I don't use this often, I tend to just dress with my glass cleaner to be honest. But I've got it, and obviously this is a big project at the minute, so I'm just going to spray it on and wipe it off. I'm going to bring you over actually so you can have a look. It's probably the best view you're going to get on the tripod I've got. and it's just like that. I hope this isn't like an extreme close-up too, but I'm going to do the other one, and then not featuring the starters, we'll do a little bit of UV protection with some Aerospace 303. We're just going to spray it onto a really small area on the, it's actually a used washed microfiber that I'm going to use. I'm peaked. Yeah, I'm just going to dress plastics that get affected by it, so. As you see, it's not a huge coating we're putting on, just a light misting. We don't want it to be runny and run off. So I'm going to continue this, wipe off any excess as I go, and come back to you in a minute. And that's going to do for this video. See if we just run round. See if the camera picks up anything massively obvious I've made. No, not bad at all. She's really come on. So we've got some little bits that I'm not going to film. So I need to dress like rear diffuser. We might do an engine bay. Just to check over and a little cleanup, but we need to start thinking about other things on the list that are quite important. So I'm going to go and get ready for whatever's next, and comment, like, subscribe. See you soon.